Here I have Xiaomi Black Shark 5, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then you have to enable QR code scanning feature by tapping on 3 stripes, then go to settings, and here you can enable it. Like, you have it enabled by default, but if you accidentally disabled it, you can enable it right here. So to scan QR code, you just have to find some QR code, and as you can see, after, wait a second, when device spots this QR code, in this corner an icon appears. As you can see, just tap on this icon, then it suggests you to open the page which is being encoded into this QR code. And that's how I can check what's in here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.